Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox something really special. This is the most awaited casting on this particular set, and it is a what you can say rare one. I mean, it is not really easy to get. So one of my friend, his name is Pranay Sahu. So he is member of my group as well. So he bought this for me. I think I don't know from which city. So I'm really sorry, bro. So let's see what it is. So this is a Bollinger B2. So this one was not really easy to get. So somehow he found two pieces, one for himself and one for me. He just showed me as a surprise, and he just couriered it to me. So he bought it actually for 399, that is MRP, and he bought it from Hamleys. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks, and let's see whether it lives up to its hype. I really like unboxing this exclusive editions or the super treasure and all these things, because we need to see what it is actually made of and why there is a lot of fuss on those things. Okay, so here it is. So let me tell you guys. So out of the box, I can say it doesn't live up to its hype. So it is really very light, and as you can see here, see the paint job looks really amazing. It's matte black. It looks really nice, and it has openable engine bay. Okay, this is not engine bay. Okay, so here both these pieces open, but this is not engine bay. I don't know, I never saw this car even in any pictures so far. This is the first time I actually heard about this particular manufacturer, Bollinger. But this one looks really nice. I'm not going to say no, it looks really nice, especially the paint job. It looks really beautiful. And here also you can, yeah, I don't know if you can, yeah, that's it. You can do this, and the body is actually made of metal, and the chassis is plastic. So the wheels are actually made of plastic. Okay, it looks really nice. The casting looks really nice. I'm not going to say no. Only thing is, so they could have just priced this somewhere around 200 rupees or 250, if you ask me, not more than that. So the headlights are painted, and same goes for taillights as well. But one thing I can agree is, so through the 6 cars, including this one is 7 cars which we unboxed, I can say this Bollinger and the Jeep FC, they are really good. Especially the paint job on this one is really nice. I'm not sure what this red dot means. It's like it's something associated with the car or something related to like an exclusive edition or something like that. I'm not sure. If anyone knows something on this, just drop it in the comments or let me know if I'm wrong. So the interior details looks really nice, especially the steering wheel looks really nice. So I personally like this casting. I'm not going to lie on that part. So only thing is, I wish they actually made it a bit heavier. So the car looks really heavy, and but it just feels a little bit cheap when you are holding it. Okay, let's do a roll test. Oh my god, it creates a lot of noise, but okay, there is not much of a wheel wobble here, which I personally like, but it is not fast either. So it is a decent one when it comes to rolling. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.